Going on, tubers? We're gonna change the valve cover today. In a 99, excuse me, Honda Civic with a 1997 Acura B what? 18. B-18 engine. Stay tuned. We got a leaky one. Plugs are filled with Earl. So we gotta change it. Gotta change the cover. That's a lot of Earl. That one's a little dry. It doesn't last too. Whew. They're a little wet.
Why those came loose?
Yep. You can see where it's bad.
You got some cleanup.
It's not a how-to video, folks. This is just how we do.
And we got it all cleaned up. Got the new gasket in there. Just got to clean up some of the surface for some gasket seal. And then we're almost done, man. There's a lot of oil in them spark plug holes. All the little seals are in. We got some goop down on there. So we're going to put on the cover now.
Okay.
See, look at that. It's clean, man. It's clean. Now we're going to see if we didn't screw anything else up. See if it starts. Here's the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Ha ha. Well, let's go. Start her up. Look at the clear coil cover. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's a noisy one. Look at all that smoke. It had a lot of Earl in there. It had a lot of Earl. Woo. There we go. All done. Lots of Earl in there, man. Lots of Earl. Woo! The smoker, it's a smoker. Hondas.